Two mothers, one child, and a divorce. Now, one of the mothers is in danger of losing her parental rights.
And tonight, only on WLWT, why a child born to a couple in a same-sex marriage could lose the mom who didn't give birth to him. WLWT News 5's Karen Johnson live right now in Warren County to explain more. Hi there, Karen.
Well, good evening, Mike. In 2015, the U.S. Supreme Court made same-sex marriage legal, but the courts didn't address parenting. Now, a Warren County woman, a mother who is getting divorced from her wife, is concerned she could lose complete custody of her son. Wedding bliss. In 2016, in front of 200 guests, Channing Sweet said, "I do." It was a legal marriage between two women, given the Supreme Court's ruling the year prior.
And then we were getting ready to start talking about having a child together.
A local fertility doctor suggested a Seattle sperm bank.
And then we picked a donor together and walked through the steps of figuring out who would be best fit to kind of fit our family.
Since Sweet already had 3 daughters from a previous marriage, she says they made the decision her wife would carry this child. She got pregnant on the first try.
So we found out at 10 weeks that we were having a little boy.
November 3rd, 2017, the Warren County couple welcomed their son into the world. Both mothers' names were printed on his birth certificate, and for the next 5 years, the couple raised him as a family.
We take him back and forth to daycare, any of his sporting events. I mean, cooking, it's everything that we normally would do as a parent to take care of a child and raise them together.
Like marriages sometimes do, this one started to fall apart. And so did Sweet's world when she learned there's a possibility she could lose all parental rights.
It's scary.
She's not the biological parent, and when there is a donor baby, Ohio law does not recognize same-sex marriages.
Our Ohio Revised Code still says in a relationship like this where there is a donor baby, that the child was born with a donor, father, mother. And it doesn't recognize mother.
Attorney Kevin Hughes says essentially Sweet is looking at not having the same rights as she would have had she been in a heterosexual marriage.
She's on the birth certificate. She signed the contract with the donor company that she was going to raise this child in a wife-wife relationship. So yeah, it caught us all off guard.
And it's added more heartache to an already difficult situation.
It's scary because I'd never have been in this situation where my child could be ripped away from me.
And Sweet's case is still pending here in Warren County. No decision has been made yet, but she says this really goes beyond her situation, beyond her story, and she hopes the state legislature will change the law to give same-sex parents the same rights as heterosexual couples. Reporting live in Warren County tonight, Karen Johnson, WLWT News 5.
So sadly, you don't think about these issues until you're in them, right?
There might be more court appearances too after all of this.
All right, so we'll stay on top of that story for you. In other news.